my friends, and welcome to another episode of Open the Armory, Open the Boxes. And today, we got this. It's the biggest box we've opened in a while. And it's actually a box. So here we go. In the absence of a sword, a knife should be sufficient. There we go. Behold what manner of books these are. We have counsels to parents, teachers, and students. Counsels on health. Selected messages, books 2, 3. Wonder if 1 is in here. I do not see it. We have counsels on stewardship, evangelism, education, temperance, Believe His Prophets by Denton E. Rabach. We have the Ministry of Healing, Gospel Workers, Mind, Character, and Personality, Volume 2 and Volume 1, Child Guidance, The Story of Redemption. Selected messages number 1, it is in here. There it is. Counsels on Sabbath School Work, Fundamentals of Christian Education, an outline for studies from the testimonies from Clifton L. Taylor, Welfare Ministry, Bible readings for the home, and Ellen G. White and Her Critics. This is one of my favorite books by Francis Nichol. So here we have it. You can see we have a wide variety of books, and they are all available on openthearmory.org, or if you find me on Facebook, my name, pronounced in an American way, is Michael Troyanowski III. It's Michael, and then the words Troy, A, no, Sky, and then I. You can also go to openthearmory.org, like I said, or you can text or call 267-482-0507. I might not always answer, but you can leave a voicemail, and I hope to get back to you shortly. So please do subscribe, do share that these books are available. If you have books to sell, to donate, or certain books you're looking to buy, please do let me know. Please comment below with your favorite book, or list your favorite books or some book recommendations. Shalom, my friends.